Don't have a PDF? No problem, you can create a web form from scratch on PlatoForms. Here, you can add a new page right after the current one in your form. PlatoForms offers a wide variety of form field types, each with unique features. Here's a handy trick: add all your fields first, then insert a page break starting from any field you choose. You can also drag and drop to rearrange the field order. We even offer a picture choice field. Let's preview the form. You'll see it split into steps based on where you inserted page breaks. Now, let's explore the design options. Choose from different themes to make your form look more polished. Once you're happy with it, click Publish. Next, let's see what the form looks like from the user's side. PlatoForms includes a phone number validator to check for formatting errors. After submission, you'll receive both an email and a notification on your PlatoForms dashboard. In the Submissions tab, you can export the submitted data. Under PDF Export, you can enable the Page Break Between Form Pages option. You can also customize font size, page margins, and the time zone used for time display. Now, let's select a date range and preview the exported PDF. In your inbox, you'll receive the PDF file. As you can see, page breaks have been automatically applied between form pages. This is a powerful feature worth trying.